If one end of your rope is really long or captive, this is how you can still do a Brummel lock using just this end. So mark out where you want your eye to be. Go to the one at the captive or long end, and we're going to feed this through. Now go to the other one and same thing. We're going to feed this through. But what we're going to do this time is actually pull this all the way through so that we're putting a twist in it. I now need to make this twist as big as possible because I'm going to try and feed this whole loop through there. Now you can use the fid that you're using or use a bigger one if you want. Now I need to get this and go through here and just pull it through. You can see the twist has come out of this one and I now have that Brummel shape. Pull that through, feed it through, and you have a Brummel lock done using just one free end.